Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Dodge Ram 3500. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 6.7-liter i6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 108,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has had all scheduled maintenance completed. Key features include power sunroof, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.